What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have a very exciting video for you today. This is on a brand spanking new 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. This is a silver truck with a big chrome grille in the front. It's a very exciting build for me. Juan drove from Lakeland, Florida this morning to be here, so he got here at 8 o'clock this morning. We're going to do our best to get this truck done today for him and get him back on the road so he can get back home. We're doing a 9-inch McGaughys Lift Kit with the upper control arms, the ball joint and caps, the driveline spacer, all the necessary accessories that you need with the lift kit. And then we're going to be putting on some wheels and tires that he brought to us. 22x12 KG1 Forged Allure in the polish finish with a 37-12-50-22 Toyo Open Country A 3 tire. We're going to be putting some mud flap deletes on this truck as well and doing a little bit of trimming. This should be a very routine in and out job. Stay tuned for the process. I'm about to get out and show you what the truck looks like. Here's our perfect 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali in that silver color with the big chrome grille. Like I said, this is going to look amazing. The wheels in the back that he brought me are polished finished. They look like chrome, so this is going to match really well. These trucks do set really low from the factory. I hear that a lot. They're not really made to be an off-road truck. That's probably why. But once you put the lift kit on there and the big tires and wheels, they really do look good lifted. This truck is brand spanking new, has very low miles on it. It does have that brown leather interior in it, really nice. Factory power steps on this one. I guess it wouldn't hurt if I threw a clip in here of the wheels and tires that we're getting. KG1 Allures always look nice. 22x12. And then the Toyo Open Country A 3 tires, guaranteed to ride smooth. Gonna look nice on there. I do like that the trim is all painted on this truck. That McGaughys lift kit's gonna do really nicely. The chrome accents on the lift kit will match the chrome accents on the truck very well. Like I said, Juan drove in this morning from Lakeland, Florida, 5 or 6 hours away. Wanted to say I appreciate him for that. He probably passed about 250 shops on the way here or something like that, so that does mean a lot to us. We're about to get it pulled in right now and get it started. The guys are in the shop waiting on me. Like I said, we're gonna try to get this one done in one day for them, so I better hurry up with it. I appreciate everybody watching. customers got here at 8 o'clock this morning. It is 2:03 in the afternoon right now. The customers are about to head back to Florida. The truck is ready to go. It's a 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali, again, with the 9-inch McGaughys Lift Kit. We did the upper control arms and all the other accessories with it. The truck looks amazing. We put the tires and wheels on it, the 22x12 KG1 Allure in the polish finish with the 37 1250 Toyo Open Country AT3 tires. Wanted to say big shout out to the customer for driving this far to get the job done. I'm glad we could get it done within the 1 day time period that he was hoping for, so they didn't have to stay the night. This doesn't happen on every truck, but we try to make it happen on the majority of them. Some things are out of our hands, you know, but I do my best. I'm about to get out of the truck and show you what it looks like. Let me know what you think in the comments. She is our beautiful truck. It is ready to go. Looks amazing. The stance is great. The wheels look great. All the colors match. Couldn't ask for a better turnout. We will start out with our lift kit. This is our 7 and 9 inch McGaughys lift kit here in the front. We have pushed this up to 9 inches. This is a magnetic ride control adapter that adapts that shock and makes it still work in this position. The truck does not know that lift kit is on the truck. It still functions the way it's supposed to. If this was the Denali Ultimate with Super Cruise, it would also function the correct way. This is our upper control arm right here with our ball joint caps. There's our cross member from McGaughys. This is where our differential is relocated down to from up there inside the truck. It's relocated down inside the cross member area here for perfect angles on the CV shafts. It's exactly what you want at 9 inches. These are the kicker braces, or strut tensioners as some people call them, that are provided with this kit. They do have the option to put a traction bar back here in the rear, but you don't have to get it. It's really a decorative item, so we don't put it on every truck. It's kind of just an upgrade. It's about a $2,000-ish upgrade. This is our ride height sensor in the back for our magnetic ride control shocks. This is unaffected with the lift kit. There is the block and U-bolt that is provided with this kit. We also put the shims on top there to go up to 9 inches in the rear. The customer did bring the tires and wheels on this build, which we sell these, so I'll put a price at the end of this with all of it and show you the tires and wheels like you were buying the whole package from us. This is the 22x12 KG1 Allure. It's a very, very nice forged wheel. It is polished, looks like chrome, but it is not chrome. There's no coating on the outside of this wheel. It can be repaired and repolished through the years. The tire they went with on this is the 37 1250 Toyo Open Country AT3. This is the least aggressive tire in the Open Country line that is considered an all-terrain. This tire is very, very quiet and smooth. It has a 50,000 mile warranty. Anything you buy from Toyo or Nitto is good product quality, so it's completely up to you. Overall presentation of the truck's great, like I said. If you guys have any questions about this build, feel free to reach out to me. My number is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. We're located at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. Like I said, I'm going to attach a quote right after this clip showing the price of this exact build, part for part. If you guys are curious about that, stay tuned for that. And if you'd like to place an order or anything or get a quote for your truck, just give me a call. I appreciate everybody watching.